Hey guys, Clinton Sistrunk, Colorado Mortgage Team. Today I want to talk to you about seller concessions. So, seller concessions is simply a credit that the seller provides into a transaction. It can be negotiated either upfront when you make an offer on a property, or it can be negotiated throughout the process while you're processing through a transaction to purchase a home. Now, seller concessions is a credit that the seller gives you into the transaction that you can use for certain things. But let's talk about what you can't use seller concessions for. So you can't use seller concessions towards the down payment requirement on a loan product. You also can't take seller concessions out of the transaction, meaning you can't go to closing and get a check from the title company for the concessions and walk away from the table. So seller concessions have to be used in that transaction, and they can be applied towards any cost of the transaction. So think things like appraisal fees and credit report fees, underwriting fees, title fees, days of interest, taxes, insurance. You can also use seller concessions towards a discount point to buy your interest rate down. And if you plan ahead of time, you can use this interest rate buy down to actually increase your purchasing power. Seller concessions can also be used to cover expensive repairs. So let's say you have a sewer line that's broken, it's going to cost $10,000 to fix. You're not going to alert the lender to that because they'll require the repair to be done prior to closing. However, you can go in and engage a contractor and send the invoice for that contractor to the title company, and they will have the seller pay that invoice out of net proceeds at closing, so the repair is paid for you upfront. These are all great flexibilities of what you can do with seller concessions. If you'd like more information, reach out to your buyer's agent and ask them how you can incorporate this either into your offer or maybe into an existing transaction. We're always here to help. You put your information below and we'll be happy to do a one-on-one strategy session with you about your specific scenario and see how we can help utilize seller concessions to meet your goals. Have a fantastic day.